Hey there folks, Lenny Rudo here for BoatUS Magazine. Today we have come to Annapolis Boat Sales, and the reason we've come here is because we've got Benny Quinn, a master tech. This guy knows what he's talking about when it comes to outboards, and we are going to look at a checklist today of everything you need to do before you tow your boat to the ramp, before you start it up, go for a run, whatever you're doing. In addition, of course, to what it says in your owner's manual. So Benny, tell me, what is the very first thing you should do?
First thing, Lenny, you do is you pull your dipstick out, wipe it off as you come out. This is the proper way to do it. Stick it back in and then take your reading and make sure that your level is correct. Next thing you want to check, Lenny, is make sure that your mounting bolts are not loose, corroded, or damaged in any way. You also want to check back in here at the head of the bolt is not sucking into the transom and cracking the gel coat. Next thing you want to check, Lenny, is you want to make sure your prop and your skeg are in good shape.
Now, what happens if you see something like this?
Chances are you have internal damage in your lower unit. Hey, Lenny, bring me that cowling.
Why in the world do you need this?
Well, birds will come up in here and build a nest there, Lenny, and it blocks the airflow to the engine.
So that's actually something you want to check before every trip?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Next thing, Lenny, when you get the boat to the water, you want to make sure that your telltale is putting out water, because it could mean that either your water pump impeller is going bad or you have an insect that's actually got up in there and made a nest.
If no water's coming out.
If no water is coming out.
Gotcha. And that is the last in our initial list of checks that you've got to do each and every time you run this boat. Now, of course, we have a whole nother checklist for 20 hours, 50 hours, and at 100 hours. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we hope you leave your comments below. Please also, don't forget, if there are any other topics you would like BoatUS Magazine to address, just say the word, and we hope you'll subscribe to the BoatUS YouTube channel.